G'day everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're talking the best savings accounts in Australia at the moment. Interest rates are low and you want to find the best rate for you, whether you're saving to buy a house or you're saving to buy a car or for a holiday. You really want to have the highest interest rates possible, because even a few percentage points compounded over a few years can be thousands of dollars. Now, if you're not from Australia, you're from overseas, you should still watch this video because the principles I cover in choosing which bank to go with or which account to go with may still be relevant. And if there is enough interest, maybe I'll look into your country's situation and make a follow-up video. So there's three accounts which I recommend at the moment, and I'll go through those and what you need to do to be eligible to get those rates with the account. So firstly, the highest paying deposit account at the moment is with Bank of Queensland, and they're offering 2.5% per annum. Now, to be eligible for that 2.5% per annum, you have to deposit $1,000 monthly into that account. So that is not hard to do if you're working full-time. Just put your salary into that account every month and you'll be eligible. And that also, that account allows you to withdraw unlimited times. There's no penalty for that. As long as you're working full-time or regularly on a contract, you can park your money there. You'll get the 2.5%, which at the moment is about as high as it gets for an ongoing rate. Now, suppose you're not earning monthly income and you've got maybe a holiday coming up and you can't just put $1,000 into a savings account every month. Then my second recommended account that you go for is the Ubank Saver account. Now, they're offering 2.41% per annum with this account, and to be eligible for that bonus interest rate, you need to deposit at least $200 a month. So it's a lot less than $1,000 a month. Maybe you've got a lot of expenses. Maybe you're not working for a month or two because you do contract work. Maybe the Ubank Saver account is more for you. And if that is the case, yeah, you only need $200 to park it in there, and you're eligible for that bonus interest, which adds up to being 2.41%. To be eligible for that, you have to open two accounts. So there's an Ultra account and an Ultra Saver account, and then you're eligible for the bonus interest. And 2.41% at the moment is decent, obviously not as good as 2.5, but the added benefit of being with Ubank is it's backed by NAB, which is one of the big four banks in Australia. There's guarantee from the government that if the whole finance system collapses, they'll cover your deposit. Now, my third most recommended account as of now is Me Bank, which is an online bank. There's no branches. They're offering 2.35% per annum, and to be eligible for that, you only have to use the card to pay for something during the month. You just have to tap on and literally buy anything for $1, and you're eligible for that 2.35%. So you don't have to deposit any money. So maybe you're not working, maybe you're doing odd jobs here and there, and you just want to have your money earning some interest, but you don't think you're gonna get $200 spare to put in or $1,000. It's a rare situation, but if you're in that situation, then maybe Me Bank is the account for you. Now, there are two other accounts at the moment offering higher rates, but they're only for a period of, I think, 4 months, for like an introductory period. So there's the HSBC Serious Saver account. They're offering 2.6% for 4 months, and then it reverts to 0.7. And there's the Rabobank 2.75%, which is pretty good. But again, that's only for the first 4 months. Then you've got to ask yourself, is it worth parking your money into these accounts, creating the account, and then 4 months later you've got to like get it out anyway? It's probably going to be an extra, maybe if you've got $100,000, you might end up with an extra $100, $200. I haven't done the calculations. I'm sure you can plug it into a compound interest calculator. But if you are chasing those extra, extra $100, then by all means you can open one of these accounts, park it in there for 4 months, do what you need to do to get that bonus interest, and then park it back out into a Bank of Queensland or a Ubank account, which is the ones that I think are the best ones. Of course, do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just a bit of guidance to decide which account to move your money in. And of course, interest rates tip to go down even further. So these rates will change, probably come down as well. So in that case, even more important to get the highest rate possible. Anyway, guys, that will be the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you learned anything, let me know in the comments below if you've decided which is the best account for you. If I've left any accounts out, let me know in the comments below as well. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.